Alright guys, it's official. On September 14th, 2022, we are getting at least 2 new action cameras, but likely 3 from what I've heard. So GoPro traditionally releases their new action cameras in September, but now we have DJI announcing their new action camera on the exact same day as GoPro. So the 14th is going to be really crazy. So the first camera that we're probably going to hear about is the GoPro Hero 11 Black, the flagship camera, which looks like it won't have any physical changes from the Hero 10. Now that's kind of a good thing because we can likely use accessories such as the media mod on the new Hero 11. The Hero 11 will also get a brand new 27 megapixel sensor, and that will also use the new GP2 processor that debuted on the Hero 10 and largely eliminated all of the freezing bugs and problems that have been plaguing recent GoPro models. So based on that, we're expecting to still be able to shoot at up to 5K, 60 frames per second, 4K 120, and 2.7K at 240. We should also see hypersmooth stabilization upgraded to version 5.0, which is bonkers because hypersmooth 4.0 is already so good and you don't need to use a gimbal with your GoPro anymore. But the biggest news is that GoPro will also be launching the GoPro Hero 11 Mini, a smaller version of the new Hero 11 Black, similar to the discontinued Hero Session, but much better. So the Hero 11 Mini will be a scaled-down version of the Hero 11 Black with the same 27 megapixel sensor and the GP2 processor. The main difference is that the Mini is going to be a lot smaller and it won't have any LCD screens. Now, based on the leaked images, we see this Bluetooth button on the front of the GoPro Mini, implying that you'll have to connect the camera to your phone via Bluetooth to get any kind of image preview. The Mini will also have 2 different mounts on the bottom and the back of the device, so the camera has more versatile mounting options. Based on the leaked images, it also looks like the battery of the Mini might be a bit smaller than the standard GoPro battery, which might suck if you were to want to use your existing GoPro batteries. But then again, the battery life might actually be alright or even better because the Mini will likely use a lot less power. Now, pricing of the new cameras has also been leaked. The Hero 11 Black will reportedly cost about $549, and the Mini will be $449. So not very cheap, either one of those. Now on the same day as the GoPro Hero 11 release, we're expecting to get a new one from DJI. This one is supposed to be the DJI Osmo Action 3, which will also go back to the same GoPro-like form factor as the original Osmo Action. Now that's a really interesting move because last year, DJI announced the Action 2, which was modular and completely different from any other action camera that we've ever seen before. Now the Action 2 is a great camera, but I think the response was largely that people did not want to see such a big change in the form factor. And it sounds like DJI is finally listening to that feedback with the new Osmo Action 3. Now personally, I have not seen a lot of leaks about the new Action 3, but it sounds like the camera will still sport the dual touchscreens, one on the front and one on the back, and it will also be able to shoot in up to 4K 120 frames per second, and also offer up to 160 minutes of recording time. But to me, the most interesting part about the Action 3, besides being released on the same day as the GoPro, is that the Action 3 is going to be a lot cheaper than the GoPro. So there's going to be 2 different standard packages available for the DJI Osmo Action 3. The standard combo bundle will include 1 battery, a USB cable, a protective case, and mounts, and that's going to cost $329. There's also going to be the Adventure Combo, which will be $100 more, and that will feature 3 batteries, an extension rod, multifunctional battery case, and twin mounting brackets. The only thing that has me a little worried about that announcement is the mention of protective cases, because with this original Osmo Action, it does not have the built-in mounting feet on the camera. It does come with this plastic frame, which GoPro has moved away from ever since the Hero 8. So I don't know if the Osmo Action will still have this frame. Hopefully it won't. but that's something that we'll have to wait and see about. So anyway, this is a really interesting time to be alive. Honestly, I love GoPro, but I think it's a good thing to have some competition. And really interesting to me that this year we're going to have competition on the exact same day. So we're going to see what these three new action cameras are offering. We will be buying all of them, testing them all out. So if you aren't already subscribed, please be sure to do that, and stay tuned for future reviews. Thanks for watching. Let us know in the comments which of these 3 cameras you're the most excited about, and stay tuned because we'll have lots more content about those cameras coming out soon.